Guys, look at what we found. Oh my God, kagwapa niya. Uy. This is, yeah, no, I'm not going to pick it. But it's beautiful. Tanawa ang iyahang ilawom, guys. Oh, oh my God, spongy. Spongy, spongy. Very beautiful. Thank you, nature. Huh?
I'll tap it.
Yeah. Itap.
Oh, it's spongy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's red velvet bullet. Look at, tanawa ang iyahang kuan sa ilawom, spongy.
Yeah.
Yeah, spongy, spongy.
Two
Tanawa,
of them.
guys. Very usa, guys. Oh, very beautiful, guys. You guys. Tanawa ang iyang. Uy, that's beautiful. Mo na gipangita na ko karon kay nakita naman tika. I'm just gonna leave you alone.
Yeah.
Pang pa-view.
Give her alone.
Yeah, beautiful kay siya, guys. Oh, awa ang pores niya, po.
Yeah, I know.
Sus.
Spongy, no?
Very amazing. Oh, guys, tanawang iyang kuan, guys.
Nag-glitters yan, you know?
Nag-glitter siya kay na ay adlaw dito ning kuan. Ah, but